Finding the best vacuum under $100 can change the way you feel about cleaning your home. Imagine a fresh, spotless space without stretching your budget, giving you both comfort and pride every day. This affordable choice makes life easier, keeping your surroundings inviting and stress-free while proving that true cleanliness does not have to come with a high price. Number 1. Dyson Ball Animal Total Vacuum. The Dyson Ball Animal Total Clean Upright Vacuum creates a refreshing sense of order in homes where daily mess often feels overwhelming. Designed for households that value both cleanliness and comfort, it takes away the burden of constant sweeping and leaves behind a living space that feels polished and welcoming. Walking across spotless floors brings a sense of pride and relief, knowing your environment reflects the care you put into it. For families with pets, keeping up with shedding and everyday dirt can feel like an endless task. This vacuum turns that struggle into a simple routine, allowing you to enjoy the companionship of your animals without worrying about the mess left behind. The assurance of a consistently clean home makes your time indoors more relaxing, as every room feels refreshed and cared for. Its upright design offers not only strength but also reliability, quietly handling the hidden dirt that often builds up. Instead of spending energy trying to maintain order, you can enjoy the comfort of knowing your home already feels taken care of. That peace of mind allows more time for what truly matters, whether it is unwinding after work or creating special moments with loved ones. Number 2. JRFYHFT Cordless Vacuum. The JRFYHFT Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is created for those who want their home to feel fresh, welcoming, and truly cared for without constant effort. Life often leaves behind dust, pet hair, and everyday mess, but with this lightweight design, cleaning becomes less of a burden and more of a simple routine. Instead of struggling with heavy machines or messy cords, you can enjoy freedom while keeping your surroundings beautifully maintained. Its cordless build makes every movement effortless, allowing you to glide from room to room with ease. The large 1.8-liter cup means less interruption, giving you more time to focus on what really matters. Whether it is keeping carpets soft, hardwood floors shining, or furniture free from fur, this vacuum ensures that every space feels comfortable and inviting. The quiet yet powerful performance brings a sense of pride, as your home looks polished and organized with little effort on your part. Guests are welcomed into a place that radiates cleanliness, while you enjoy the calm that comes from living in a neat environment. The JRFYHFT Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is not just about cleaning, it is about reclaiming your time, reducing stress, and creating a home that reflects care and comfort in every corner. Number 3. Candy Cordless Vacuum. The Candy Cordless Vacuum Cleaner brings ease and comfort to daily home life, turning cleaning into a simple and stress-free experience. Instead of spending hours worrying about dust, pet hair, and everyday mess, you can glide through your home with confidence, knowing each room feels fresh and inviting. The lightweight design makes moving from carpet to hardwood floors effortless, giving you freedom while keeping your surroundings beautifully maintained. Every moment spent using this vacuum transforms chores into a satisfying routine, allowing more time for family, hobbies, or simply relaxing in a space that looks polished and cared for. Walking into a home where every corner feels clean creates an immediate sense of calm and pride, showing that your environment reflects the effort you put into it. The one-click dust disposal brings simplicity and convenience, removing the worry of frequent interruptions and allowing the cleaning process to flow naturally. Its anti-tangle design ensures smooth operation, so you can focus on enjoying your space rather than managing obstacles. The Candy Cordless Vacuum Cleaner does more than maintain floors, it enhances the way you feel at home. It transforms everyday living into moments of ease and satisfaction, creating an environment where cleanliness, comfort, and relaxation coexist effortlessly. Each session leaves your home looking refreshed, making daily life lighter, calmer, and more enjoyable. Number 4. BISSELL 2252 CleanView Vacuum. The BISSELL 2252 CleanView Swivel Upright Bagless Vacuum brings a sense of relief and comfort to homes where cleaning feels like a constant challenge. Daily dust, pet hair, and scattered debris can create stress, but this upright design turns the chore into a smooth, manageable routine. Walking through a home that looks polished and inviting gives an immediate feeling of pride and satisfaction. For households with pets, maintaining clean floors can feel overwhelming. This vacuum allows you to enjoy your animals without worrying about the mess left behind. Every sweep brings reassurance that your living space is cared for, creating a calm and welcoming atmosphere. Guests are greeted by a home that feels fresh, organized, and comfortable, reflecting the effort you put into maintaining it. The large-capacity dirt tank ensures uninterrupted cleaning, making the process simpler and more enjoyable. Swivel steering adds ease, allowing you to navigate effortlessly around furniture in tight spaces while keeping every corner in order. The BISSELL 2252 CleanView Swivel Upright Bagless Vacuum transforms daily routines into a source of satisfaction and relief. It provides a sense of control over your environment, making life lighter, more comfortable, and less stressful. Each room feels refreshed, creating a home that supports relaxation, comfort, and a welcoming atmosphere for family and friends alike. Number 5. Kenmore Intuition Bagged Vacuum. The Kenmore Intuition Bagged Upright Vacuum Lift-Up Carpet Cleaner brings a sense of ease and satisfaction to homes where cleaning can feel overwhelming. Daily messes, pet hair, and hidden dust often create stress, but this upright vacuum allows you to maintain a fresh and inviting environment effortlessly. Walking into a home that feels cared for gives an immediate sense of comfort and pride. For pet owners, keeping floors clean can be exhausting. This vacuum transforms the routine into a seamless experience, helping you enjoy time with your animals without worrying about leftover hair or debris. Each session restores order to your living space, creating a calm and welcoming atmosphere that lifts the mood and brings peace of mind. Its versatile design allows you to reach every corner of your home, ensuring even hard-to-access areas feel polished and neat. Cleaning becomes less of a chore and more of a rewarding activity, giving you more time to relax or focus on meaningful moments with family. The Kenmore Intuition Bagged Upright Vacuum Lift-Up Carpet Cleaner is more than a cleaning tool, it enhances the way your home feels. It supports a lifestyle where comfort, cleanliness, and organization coexist naturally, transforming your environment into a space that is both inviting and stress-free every day.